Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I would like to discuss about a 15 minutes time frame strategy for equity shares. This we cannot use on indices like Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is exclusively for equities. In this strategy, I'm using 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using traditional pivot points and as well as RSI, and I have taken length as 3 and upper band 80 and lower band 20. Now in this strategy, if you are in a if you want to buy any equity share, we have to look for two consecutive green candles, and the second candle should be, the RSI should be above 80. For example, let us see Sun Pharma. Okay, in this scenario we have seen a green candle forming. The RSI is 86 and the other green candle, the RSI is 92, that is above 80. This green candle's RSI can be 60, 70, anything, but the other green candle which is formed immediately, this green candle's RSI should be above 80. In this case it is 90 and we can take a trade in this. Now when to enter, when to take a trade in this? We should not enter a trade into this after the close of this candle. We have to wait. We have to wait at least this, the other candle should break the close of this candle. If not the high, the close of this candle has to break. Okay, as soon as this close of the candle is broken, we will take entry into this. For example, here I can see this candle has broken the high of this candle. I'm sorry, the close of this candle. So we will take an entry in this. So my entry point will be at this level. So let me write that. So this is my entry. Entry is at the break of green candles close. Okay. Now I have to place a stop loss. Stop loss would be here. This would be my stop loss. Right here. Stop loss is the low of green candle. Alright. Now we have to make the target can be R3 or somewhere at the center of R3, the 50% of R3 we can say. So we can exit, let me to have a good visibility, I'll remove this. So our entry is at this level. Now what I will do, we can keep target as R3 or we can keep 50% of R3 as a target. So we can exit at this level. But in this case we can see it didn't touch R3 and it even didn't touch the stop loss as well. So 1:1 or we can make 50% of R3 profit and we can exit from this trade. Okay, now when it comes to the buying, we'll see that here also we should have two consecutive red candles, and the second red candles RSI should be below 20. So here I have, we can see two consecutive red candles, and this second red candle's RSI is below 20. So this is clearly saying that we can enter. So my entry level is somewhere at this point. This point will be my entry, and this will be my stop loss, and my target can be S1 or S3. Here we can take my target as somewhere above S1. This can be, we can keep 50% of between S1 and S2 is our target, but in this case again we have the target as a hit, but the stop loss was never a hit, and I think we can make a profit, good profit, and exit from this trade. I hope this strategy will help you for in intraday for you to make money. Thank you so much for watching my video.